10th class students. This video is going to give you revision regarding your book First Flight, and this video is going to revise you the 3 chapters. The first chapter is Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom. Second chapter is 2 stories about flying, and this chapter is having 2 parts. First part is his first flight and the second part is the black aeroplane. Now I am just going to ask you some questions regarding these chapters. Your first question is, his first flight is about dash dash dash. You have to explain this. His first flight is about. I am telling you, his first flight is about the story of a seagull and his struggle against flying, because he was having a fear whether he will be able to fly or not, his wings will support him or not. Next, second question for you is, what is twin obligation? You have to define twin obligation, and from which chapter is it has been taken. Twin obligation is, according to Nelson Mandela, for a man, his responsibility for the family and responsibility for the society. That is called twin obligation. Responsibility for the family, responsibility for the country. Okay, and from the chapter Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom, it has been taken, which has been written by Nelson Mandela himself. Okay, dear students. Now next term for you is apartheid. What is that apartheid? This word apartheid is having 2 importance in this chapter. Apartheid, it means racial discrimination between black and white. Okay, racial discrimination between black and white. It was too much in South Africa during the time of Nelson Mandela, and he was hurt too much during that apartheid. So he just solved this problem. He removed the racial discrimination from their South Africa at his time. Clear? Now next question for you. Black Aeroplane is written by. While I am going to teach you the text, I am again and again asking to you, telling to you, this chapter has been written by this person. So now I am asking if you are learning or not. Tell me, Black Aeroplane is written by Frederick Forsyth. By whom it has been written? Frederick Forsyth. Okay. Now next question for you is, what inspired the seagull to fly? Again repeating the question, what inspired the seagull to fly? What inspired the seagull to fly? That was the scene of the tearing fish. The mother of seagull was tearing the fish, and that inspired the little seagull to fly, because at that time the seagull was too hungry. Next question for you. Who held the Dakota DS-088? Again repeating the question. Who held the Dakota DS-088? It was a black aeroplane that held Dakota DS-088. It was black aeroplane that helped during the storm when he was amidst the black clouds. It was black aeroplane that helped the Dakota DS-088. Clear? Now next question for you is, importance of 10th May? What is the importance of 10th May? That is two important questions regarding this chapter, Nelson Mandela Long Walk to Freedom. 10th May is having its own importance in the history of South Africa because on this day the democratic government, non-racial government was installed on this day. Okay, so what is the importance on this day in the history of South Africa? Non-racial government, democratic government was installed. Okay, who was there with him regarding the chapter Nelson Mandela, and who was there with him with Nelson Mandela? His daughter Janani was there with Nelson Mandela with him at the day of 10th May, on 10th May. Okay, now next question for you is, why was the pilot of Dakota surprised? The pilot of Dakota was surprised when he reached to the reception. He found that there was no other black aeroplane during the storm with him. He was all alone there in the black clouds. Okay, dear students, repeating again, he was all alone, there was no black aeroplane, so he was too much surprised to listen this, to know this from the reception, from the female who was there in the office. Now, next question for you. Was the swallow able to fly finally? Yes, finally the swallow was able to fly. He just won his fear. He just struggled against his fear to fly, and finally he won, and finally he was able to fly. Now, next question for you is, why was the pilot going to England by the Dakota DS-088? The pilot was going to fly by the aeroplane in such bad weather because he want to have a delicious breakfast with the family, and it was Easter, so he was going to
England.
He was going to England. Now, next question for you is, why was the swallow not flying? Question repeating again. Why was the swallow not flying? The swallow was not flying, dear students, because he was having a fear that his wings will support him or not while he will fly. Okay? Again repeating the answer. The swallow was having a fear in his heart and mind whether his wings will support him or not while he will fly. Okay? So learn this all well. Thank you for watching the video. Pay attention to the video. Thank you.